Monday allows you to manage projects and ensure deadlines are met. So if you are used to this software and would like to connect it with your CRM for seamless sync of items, statuses, and updates, this update is for you. Let's check how to use these new actions and triggers. Head to the Integrations tab inside your account settings and click Connect under monday.com. In your Monday account, click your profile picture and select Developers to get your API key. Enter your API key in the CRM and click Save. Head to your workflow and add an action or trigger. You can find monday.com actions in the Apps section. This update allows you to integrate your already existing work with the system, improving team and external communication, and providing security with the integrated action testing, helping you manage big projects and maintain cross-system references and visibility with your workflows without having to migrate your team's work to run communication and automation flows. We hope you enjoy it.